Hello everybody, this is Johnny5, and in this video I'm going to show you how to learn to code for free. On the internet, no cost, don't need to download anything, all you do is sign up with an email or a GitHub account, Facebook, anything really. And the site is called FreeCodeCamp.org, and it teaches you pretty much everything of coding, not like the hard languages, but they have it on there. They have HTML, JavaScript, React, all the basic ones. So many lessons is like so many hours of teaching you how to code. Lessons are pretty easy for getting started. They have a forum, and when you go on the site, let's say the basic one for example, and to the directions, the basic language, the basic learning areas, and it shows the testing thing here. Your actual code input goes here, and your test will go here. So I can say anything I want, and say hello, and it should print out here. And once you completed this, you just hit run the tests, and it'll say complete. But I didn't really finish the thing, but it's really basic. Just say hello world. This is the first lessons of programming, any languages you learn. And this comes up and says you completed it. Hit submit and go to the next one, and goes to the next lesson. So it's very simple than that, but it teaches you all the basics, and it goes more advanced the more you learn. So I recommend this site for anyone that wants to learn how to code. I've been doing lessons every day for the past 4 months. 3 lessons a day, maybe more, depends how the day is. But so yeah, if you're interested, I'll put a link in the description. And you have any questions, and want to see more of these videos for coding, since I'm learning how to code myself as well, let me know. And have a great day. See ya.